The baking German.
How's it going? Thanks for coming back. Today we're going to do a peanut butter flavored marshmallow. And let's do it. We need some ingredients. Let's get them. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's start with scaling up all of our ingredients. After we scaled up all of our ingredients, we're gonna prepare our tin or a mold with cling film or tin foil. Very important, oil your cling film or tin foil very, very well. Now we dissolve our gelatin in the water. Gelatin is dissolved. Let's whip up our egg white and after that we make our sugar syrup. Let's take golden syrup, water and sugar. Let's bring it to a boil up to 128-129 degrees. That is called a hard ball and you need a sugar thermometer for that. Sugar syrup is at the right temperature. Let's add our gelatin. Okay, now we slowly mix in the sugar and gelatin into our egg white. While this is mixing for about 10 minutes, until it's nice and glossy, we're going to melt down our peanut butter in the microwave or in a saucepan. Perfect, now we got the right consistency and now we're going to take out the bowl and we're going to fold in the peanut butter by hand very, very carefully and just about 4 to 5 turns. Just ever so slightly. Oh, no, oh, careful now. There we go. It can be still a little bit marbled. Doesn't need to be folded, like blended in. I'm super happy so far. We got a nice little marble texture on top where the peanut butter goes through the marshmallow. We let it to set now for a good few hours. And after that we come back and cut it and, you know, finish it off. Okay, I actually let them to set now overnight and now they're really nice and pillowy. Super nice and soft. Now I'm going to take them out of the tin. I'm going to cut them in nice little cubes, even sizes. And then I'm just going to make like a little bowl where I mix some cornflour and some icing sugar together. And then I'm just going to toss them. Okay, so nearly done and dusted. I mean, they are dusted, but not done yet. Now we're going to melt some dark chocolate. We're going to dip one side of the marshmallow into the dark chocolate. Then we're going to place it on a tray. And then we're going to crush some salted peanuts. We're just going to sprinkle it on top. And this is it. Peanut butter marshmallow with a little bit of dark chocolate. Perfect. Super delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Tschüss. Gelantine is this.
Jens is stuffing his fat face with cake.
Not his fat
Jens, his ugly face. Sorry, I apologize. I'm doing my.
Shut up!
My break now.
Don't touch metal.
When it's 130 degrees.
When it's 130
Correct,
degrees.
yeah. And of course, most importantly, peanut butter. Yeah, peanut butter this.
Well, this is mixing for about 10 minutes until it's nice and glossy and cloudy. Thanks you. Get out of my shot.
Whoa, 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 slow down guys, slow down, slow down. Another baking German. I know, right? What a time to be alive. But haven't you forgotten something? Exactly. Clickety click click. Like, subscribe, follow. Show our man Jens some love. And he will keep these videos coming, you know. He's got lots of fresh ideas and he will hook us up with all the delicious sweets to make the world a sweeter place to live in. Yes, peace out.
That's it.
Bye.